Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download REIT investment statements with Fundrise, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download your REIT investment statements from Fundrise, first, open your preferred web browser. Next, navigate to the Fundrise website by typing fundrise.com in the address bar, then hit enter. Once the website loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to access your account. Enter your email address and password in the designated fields. After filling in your credentials, click on the login button to proceed. Once you're logged into your dashboard, look for the Portfolio tab on the main menu. Click on the Portfolio tab to view your investment information. Scroll down to find the Documents section within your portfolio overview. In the Documents section, click on Investment Statements to access your available statements. You will see a list of your investment statements listed chronologically. Select the specific statement you wish to download by clicking on it. Once you click on a statement, it will open in a new window or tab. Look for the Download button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Download button to save the document to your device. Choose the location on your device where you want to save the file. Finally, click Save to complete the download process. Your REIT investment statement is now downloaded and ready for your review. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.